Welcome back. So we were on, absolute must have on page SEO mastery. So where we just, in the last video, we saw some of the factors that you need to know about on page SEO. So these factors. But moving forward here, you can see we have some of the main factors that include in on page SEO. So, I would like to tell you guys that, few of these are left. I haven't discussed these, but I will discuss, each and everything in the upcoming video. So, moving forward here you can see we have some of the, amazing factors that include in on-page SEO. So, first thing first, the first point is that content good. So let me show you a landing page of yeah, of a AI tool which is like add headline generator. So this is actually a headline generator where you can generate headlines for your ads. So this is a tool which helps you with the headlines. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Is the content good? So if you just see and read the content in this landing page, it is good. Add your topics. Here you can see the first thing, the headline is there. Again, the subheading is sub content is here, and then again heading, and then a box is here. So this is a cool landing page which has headlines, which has some type of content written here. Some of the images are there, and here you can see some of the benefits they have described. So some of the frequently asked question. So this landing page have a lot of good content. Here you can see how to tap into the potential of AI-based ad headline generators. So, they are also talking about how you can use the tool. And first they describe that, what is this? What is an AI ad headline generator? And then they describe some of the benefits, and then you can see some of the tips. So I would say this content is good. In the last, they just, explain the conclusion, but it seems like how this landing page is amazing because it teaches you how you can use it and what is it actually. So everything about this, and what are the companies that use this tool. So they also mentioned this. So I would say the content is good. So here you can see is that content good. So first point is ticked. I would say this is ticked. Or you targeting the right search intent. So yeah, this is a very important. We discuss intent in the very beginning that intent should be intent should be clear for the users. So here you can see if a user is coming on this landing page, they are getting, they will going to get the ad headline. So this is the clear intent. They're just not writing the article. They just provide the tool which a user going to use when it comes to creating a headline for ads. So the intent is of course clear, and they are providing the tool itself. They're not just talking about they haven't just add the content, but they are also producing the also sorry providing the whole box of this, so that user can actually generate headlines for their ads. So yes, I would say intent is clear. Third thing is, are you targeting the right keyword? So you can see keyword is add headline generator. So on this page they're almost talking about add headline generator. They're adding some of the add headline generator, some of the keywords. So the third point is also marked as ticked because this page is about this. They're not just talking about any fluff thing, but they're what the URL is about. They're talking about in the on this web page. So I would say this third point is also marked as ticked. So you have to the point in here is you have to talk about what your URL said. Like this URL just show yourself that this is a page about ad headline generator, so that you can see The page also itself says that this page is about producing ad headline generator. So this third point is also marked as ticked. Moving forward, internal and external links, anchor text to broken links, are they useful or forced? Affiliate plus sponsored links should be no follow. So this is the fourth point where you need to see some of the links on this page, that what are the links. Here you can see some of they have just added most of the links in the on this page. So I guess feeling speechless here, how to overcome writer's block. 34 examples of tons in writing and how to use them. Sorry, tones of writing. Everything you need to know about AI copywriting. So they are also, internal linking on their own website regarding the, regarding the topic. So this is the topic, add headline generator, and this might, little bit of relatable topics, because, if somebody comes on the ad headline generator creating, they might face, some of the, writer's block. So they might come and, click on this article, and then they read about this, how they can, overcome the writer's block. Here you can see if somebody, is also suffering with like tones in writing and how to use them. They're not, eventually writing with the perfect tone. So they might, able to click on this. So this is, I guess, very good internal linking. They are just, internal linking with the topic, with this topic. So I would say these are the links which are, yes, useful, and broken links and they useful forced, or so yeah, if I would say, if they are adding some of the, irrelatable links, that, that count as a broken, that count as a what? Forced link. Yeah, that link count as a forced link, because that link might not, add value on this page. That's where that link count as the broken link. Here I can't see any of the link that is not useful. Everything here on this page is useful. So yes, these are the four things I discussed. In the upcoming video, I will discuss these three more on page factors. So I guess see you there.